Hello, our good friends. Welcome to Gucema Tech Media, and welcome to this brand new video. And on this video, I want to show you how to turn your Facebook profile into a page. This is a new feature which Facebook started a long time ago, but it is a new feature. African countries where you can turn your Facebook profile into a page. When you turn your Facebook profile into a page, all your friends, if you have 5,000 friends, will automatically turn to your followers. And let's start it. You just open your Facebook. As you can see, I'm on my Facebook profile. So what you do, just follow my arrows. I'm directing you. After opening your Facebook, you tap on your profile at the left side at the top, this one. You tap to open another page like that. Proceed to tap on these three dots. As you can see, you tap on them to open another page. On this section, as you can see, there is this part which is named as turn to professional mode. So you have to tap there, turn on professional mode. Then you can see the guidelines. After turning on your profile into a professional mode, you can continue creating your content where there is monetization tools where you can monetize your content. So you proceed to this part. You tap on turn on, as you can see. Then you wait for your profile to be turned on professional mode. You can see this is what is going to happen. Then finally you tap on done like that. You can choose your category where you'd like your page to be, on which category. Here you tap on done, and that is all. You've already transformed your page into a professional mode. You can see I had about 5,000 friends. We have already turned into followers. You can see this is how your new page will happen. And for 5,000 friends, they have turned into followers. So you can set up your page. You can see view guide. You tap there. You can set how you want your page to appear. Then you can see your profile review. Your friends now will be your followers. Then to turn off, you can again turn off your page into a profile by tapping here. If you want to transform back again your profile into a page, you just tap here, learn more, to turn back your page into a profile. And by turning your profile into a page, your content, you can monetize your content, what you post on your Facebook, if it is videos, if it is reels, you can start earning using your profile, which you have converted into a page. You can go and look at the professional dashboard, how it looks like. You can see if you want to monetize your content, criteria not met. For example, if I want stars, you can see I'm not yet eligible. For I to be eligible, I must have 1,000 followers for 60 consecutive days. Then there is some other options where there are some guidelines on eligible countries. Let me see if my country is eligible. Stars is not available to creators across professional mode on profile and pages that meet the program. That is all about turning your profile into a page. Thank you for watching this media. You meet again with another video. Bye.